So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment entrepreneurship week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is, when a startup has high innovation and high perfection in its product and processes, it would be able to develop. So these are the option: highly delayed products, interesting product, uninteresting product, blockbuster product. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first: high perfection, innovation, high blockbuster products. So the answer of our first question is D, blockbuster product. Now the second question is, innovation and perfection are. So these are the option: only for large companies, iterative and have no boundaries, become halted at some point of time, counter to each other. So the answer of our second question is B, iterative and have no boundaries. Now the third question is, which industry in India has several hundred of brands for the same generic product? So these are the options: cycle industry, automobile industry, pharmaceutical industry, none of the above. So the answer of our third question is C, pharmaceutical industry. Now the fourth question is, which of the following statement is relatively true? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth: design as the integrator come differentiator. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is, which of the following statement is true become of automobile electrification and autonomous driving? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A. There would be opportunities for several technology lead startups in the new generation components. Now the sixth question is, which of the following is not a business model but is a business strategy? So these are the option: consigning, diversification, leasing, cash on delivery. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six: business strategy is a set of approaches to enable a diversification. So the answer of our sixth question is B, diversification. Now the seventh question is, in the automobile industry, business definition is now expressed in the broadest sense as. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our seventh question is C, generic customer need, for example mobility. Now the eighth question is, which of the following is not a methodology that supports business strategy development? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8: pastel is another framework to integrate political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal regulatory factors in the conduct of comprehensive SWOT analysis by business strategies. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now the ninth question is, ERP, for example, the one offered by SAP, is expanded as. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our ninth question. Question ninth: enterprises resource planning. So the answer of our ninth question is D. Now the 10th question is, startups business strategy is more aligned to. So these are the option: red ocean strategy, clear sky strategy, blue ocean strategy, on ground strategy. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th: a blue ocean strategy is ideal for a startup. So the answer of our 10th question. So the answer of our 10th question is C, blue ocean strategy. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.